So Marumo Gallants has parted ways with coach Dentons Malisela. After 18 games, he won 4, drew 4 and lost 10. And there are shouts for Kaizer Chiefs to make him the new head coach. Okay, first of all, let me say I do get where these shouts are coming from. You know, Dan Malisela plays good football, eye-catching football, you know. But is he good enough for a team like Kaizer Chiefs? I don't think so. Especially in the current state that we are in. We are on a 10-year trophyless run, mate. We don't care about good football at this point. The last thing we want is to play good football without results. You know, I don't think good football without results will take us back to the top. You know, okay, one may argue that he didn't have resources at Marumo Gallants. Okay, I look at a coach like Puchi Mohafe. I look at his team, Polokwane City. Not the most talented team. He made the top 8 last season. First season in the top flight, he makes the top 8. Currently, Polokwane City are on the top 5. I look at a coach like Steve Barker. Loses players every season. Always makes the top 8. He won a trophy last season. He's currently in the quarterfinals of the CAF Confederations Cup. So I don't think Dan Malisela not having resources is an excuse. I don't think you can use that as an excuse. A good coach knows how to use what he has. You know, you look at Coach Kevin Hunt last season. He had 11 players. He promoted 11 players from the DDC. He made the top 8. That's what a good coach does. And I think it will be foolish for Kaizer Chiefs to sack Nabi now or at the end of the season. You know, things may not be going very well at Kaizer Chiefs, but you can see the positives, man. You know, and Nabi is a proven winner. I think we should give him time, you know. And I think Dan Malisela would be a good coach for a team like Mamelodi Sundowns, maybe, because they already play more or less the same style of football with him, you know. Good players there. Very, very well structured team. You know, I think he will be good there. But for Kaizer Chiefs, especially at this current state, I don't think he's the guy. And I don't think he has won enough to be getting shouts to be a Kaizer Chiefs head coach. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will be back for more.